Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 12:15 p.m. At 11:49 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Garfield Park, or over West Town, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lincoln Park, Navy Pier and near North Side around 11:55 a.m. Lakeview, Uptown and Edgewater around noon. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Wheatley Field, the Loop, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 285 and 294. Interstate 94 between mile markers 44 and 55. Interstate 290 between mile markers 19 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 44 and 55. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, there's two sirens sounding in the background. I believe one is by the police station and the other one sounds like it's by Menards on Clybourne. So yeah, Chicago is under a tornado warning until 12:15 p.m. Radar indicated twister was spotted over East Garfield Park and heading towards my direction. Alright, here's an update. The storm has passed and the rotation is most likely over the lake. The tornado warning has been expired at 12:15. Right now it's 12:36. However, there's another system in the south suburbs. It's about to go into Indiana pretty much by 1 o'clock or so. But yeah, so we're not out the ballpark yet, but this man's lawn is super saturated because it's been raining like this since yesterday morning, and this person really cares about his lawn, so I feel sorry for him. But yeah, we are under a flash flood warning, and that's going to expire to probably later on tonight. And we're also under a tornado watch till about 7 o'clock tonight. So, yeah. So right now we just have torrential downpours. Probably for the next couple hours.